Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new to my channel, my name is BlancaEstela and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here using Too Faced new Lifestyle Festival palette. This palette is so pretty and it smells really good too. So I was really excited when I ordered it and I got it. I was like, I have to do a tutorial of this, and I did. First, I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is called Desert Vibes, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color, and I'm going to put that all over the crease. And then I'm also going to bring it up to my brow bone, up to my eyebrow, like I do with all my transition shades. And I do smell this a lot throughout the video. Now I'm going to grab this other pink shade called Young and Free, and I'm going to be applying that to the crease. I'm going to start deepening it up a little bit because I am going to add a darker shade later on. Then I'm going to grab this dark shade called Fantasy, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer V of the lid, but I'm also going to bring it all over the crease. So I'm kind of like smoking it out, and I'm going to leave this shade on the outer V of the eye. Now I'm grabbing the same brush I used first with whatever product is left on it, and I'm just going to use that to blend everything out, everything that I've done so far. Now I'm going to grab the same pink shade again, and I'm going to put that on top of the burgundy shade, just because I feel with all the blending and stuff it did fade away, and I really wanted that light pink shade to show up, so that's why I'm putting it on top of the burgundy one. Then I'm gonna grab this shade right here called Mystic Rain on both sides of the flat brush, and this is the shade that I'm gonna be applying on 2/3 of the lid. I am not going to apply it on the outer V just because I do want to leave it smoked out like with the burgundy shade, so I'm just putting it on 2/3 of the lid, and this shade is really pretty. And then I'm just grabbing the same brush I used to smoke out the outer V, and I'm just going to use it to blend out the shimmery shade and the outer V one more time. Now I'm going to be applying my Ardell Double Up Lashes in style 204, but first I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my Revlon eyelash curler. And before I apply my eyelashes, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to coat my top lashes. I'm only going to put one coat. Then I'm going to be grabbing a smaller brush and applying that same Fantasy shade on the brush, and I'm going to be using that to start smoking out the bottom lash. I'm using a small brush because I really wanted to keep this shade really close to the lash line. Then I'm getting a smaller pencil brush, and I'm grabbing the same shade I added on my lid, and I'm going to be putting that right on top of the burgundy shade. Then I'm going to grab my Milani Supreme Coat eyeliner, and I'm going to be applying this to my waterline, and I also used it to tightline. This eyeliner is really good. It glides on really good, and it lasts all day. It's one of my favorite ones. Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be grabbing these two shimmery shades right here. I'm going to mix them, and I'm going to use those as my inner corner highlights, and I'm also going to use it as my brow bone highlight. Now I'm just grabbing the same mascara, and I'm going to use it to coat my bottom lashes, but I'm also going to use it to blend together my fake lashes and my fake eyelashes. My fake lashes and my real eyelashes. Now for the fun part, I'm going to be using one of the unicorn highlighting sticks, one of the new ones. The packaging is so pretty. I love it so much, and I'm going to be using the one in the shade Unicorn Dreams, and I'm going to be applying this one where I normally apply my highlighter. And then since it is cream, I'm going to be using a brush to blend that in really good. But I'm also going to set it. It is so pretty. And it also smelled really good. And then to set it, I'm going to be mixing these 3 shimmery eyeshadows together. And I'm just going to use that to set where I apply the cream highlighter. I also used the cream highlighter on my nose and my cupid's bow. So I'm also going to be setting those areas with the same highlighter. Well, the eyeshadows that I mixed. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be grabbing my matte flat finish pigment gloss by LA Girl in the shade Rebel. I thought this went really good with the look. And this is the final look right here, you guys. I really love how it came out. It looks so pretty. I just love the combination, and this palette is really pretty, and it smells bomb, so you guys have to buy it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.